The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall there. Big up and respect to each and everyone, you see it? And right about now, viewers and subscribers, you know, me have something I go tell you about one article I read on social media there. Me I tell you the truth, me just keep on and look on it and I say, John, no, me can't believe what me just read a while ago. You see what I say? Because me just can't understand why this would have really happen, you see me? And you see, if everything that has been said in this article turns out to be true, then really and truly, yo, this is just wicked and just totally not right, you see me? And that is if it is true, you understand me? Yeah, because, you know, me see an article, it out there on social media where it says that taxi driver throat slashed after sneezing to seasoning in Sentan. You see what I said to you? Yeah, and it is said that this had happened in the parish of Sentan, that is of the country of Jamaica. You get what I said to you? Now, according to how I understand the article, it said that this had happened on the 3rd of April 2020. Now, may I go explain when I'm reading the article to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, according to how me understand it. So may I say, so may you please bear in mind that what I'm about to tell you is not exactly word for word as to how it has been said in the article that I read about this whole incident on social media. You understand me? So please bear that in mind. You see me? Now, according to how I understand the article, you see, the taxi operator who had been injured because of this whole incident, you see me? It would seem as if that taxi operator is the person that gave the whole information about the whole incident to whosoever write the article. You see what I said to you? And according to how I understand the article, it would seem as if at some point the taxi operator had met with a vendor, and the vendor does sell some spices and ground seasonings, and the taxi operator seems to have some form of allergic reaction to those things. You see me? So the taxi operator enter a store and him sneeze because of the allergic reaction that him have to the spices and ground seasonings that was around him when time him did meet the vendor or him see the vendor. So after he sneeze now, it is said that he had been approached by an unidentified person, and somewhat of a heated argument developed between the taxi operator and the unidentified person. You see me? Now, it is said that the unidentified person drew a shiny object and swing it at the taxi operator. You see me? Now, according to how I understand the article, it is said that the taxi operator didn't even realize that he was bleeding until persons started to stare at him, and some of the persons around him started to run away. You get what I said to you? It is said that the unidentified person had fled the scene and is still on the run. And according to what has been said in the article, it is said that the taxi operator who had been injured by this incident now had been assisted and taken to the hospital by a taxi operator or taxi operators that was outside of the building. Yes, so viewers and subscribers, and at first me I hear about something like this still now. So me I say, and in my point of view, them things are not right. You understand? It is not right. You see me? Yeah, me hear about something where a man get thrown off a bus because him sneeze as well. You understand? Me hear about fights will happen because of the same thing. You see me? It's like, me I gotta tell you something. You see, my body, me know my body, you know. Me, more time me can't control me sneeze now. You see me? So, what you tell me say now, if me need to sneeze, me can't sneeze because me there at a certain place. You see me? I bet you tell a person say, yo, cover your mouth and your nose when you sneeze and don't make whatsoever come out of your nose and your mouth catch other persons. Yeah, well, that right. You understand? By right, you're not supposed to make your sneeze and them thing they catch persons. You see me? That is a big disrespect, and it's just not mannerable or how you put it. You understand? That is wrong. If you go sneeze on a person and you just let it make it fly open. You understand me? Yeah, but if you attack a person and suffer because a person sneeze, no, me not find that right or suitable. As me say, so what you tell me say? Next thing you soon start tell me say me can't quit. Yeah, me, viewers, subscribers, each and everyone out there, Uno be careful and just stay safe. As what I said to you, and you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?